we have another news. Thank you for joining, Ali Abushbak. And now we move on to our next story. The head of the World Economic Forum has said that the world is facing the most complex geopolitical situation, warning that the escalating war's turmoil is impacting global growth. WEF President and CEO Borje Brende said this right ahead of a meeting of the multilateral forum in the northern Chinese city of Tianjin. Officials, including Singaporean Prime Minister Lawrence Wong, will attend this week's WEF meeting on the port of city of Tianjin, known colloquially as the Summer Davos. The meeting comes hard on the heels of the United States' involvement in the Iran-Israel conflict and follows months in which the global economy has been battered by a tariff war launched by US President Donald Trump. Now we move on to our next story. 3 Democratic lawmakers introduced a war powers resolution on Monday to limit President Trump's military actions against Iran. This comes after U.S. strikes targeted Tehran's nuclear facilities. However, Trump's Republican majority in Congress makes it unlikely for the resolution to pass. In retaliation, Iran hit a U.S. base in Qatar, the conflict, which escalated when Israel attacked Iran on June 13, has raised regional tensions. Democrats argue Trump acted without congressional approval, violating constitutional principles. House Speaker Mike Johnson disagrees, saying it's not the time for such a resolution. Trump's allies argue he acted to eliminate a nuclear threat from Iran, but Democrats claim the strike aimed at regime change. They criticize Trump's decision-making process, accusing him of impulsive actions without thorough deliberation. The resolution, if passed, would restrict the president's ability to engage in further military actions without congressional consent. Now we stay in the U.S. The U.S. Supreme Court has cleared the way for President Trump's administration to resume deportations of migrants to third countries. In a 6-3 ruling, the justices reversed a lower court's order that required migrants to have a chance to present risks they might face upon deportation. The ruling applies to 8 migrants from Myanmar, South Sudan, Cuba, Mexico, Laos, and Vietnam. While the Trump administration hailed the decision as a victory, critics argue it exposes migrants to potential torture and death. The ruling furthers Trump's tough immigration stance. Well, that's all we have time for. We will continue